Hi, this is Gina from Art of Skincare, and I have an AOS newsflash for you guys. I want to let you know that the HOP Promoter Repair Cell Moisturizer has changed, and this is a significant change. That's why I'm doing this news alert for you guys. So, Promoter Cell Moisturizer used to be acne safe. We loved it. It was wonderful. Well, without consulting us, the company reformulated, and unfortunately now it is not acne safe anymore. So I really want you guys who are my acne clients to know that so that you don't continue to use this on your skin and end up with breakouts and things like that. Now, for those of you who do not suffer with acne, you're gonna love the changes in this cream. What they've done is they've increased the PLLA, they've increased the natogum, so it's more stringy. That's that plant collagen that's in there. They've also added a bunch of plant oils, and they've put it in a rose water base. This one has definitely this nice rose water scent, and I want to show you guys because it's now stringier. Look at those nice strings. Woo! I love that about this, that collagen, the stringiness. So, the rose water scent, it's not really strong to me because I like the rose water scent, but if you don't like rose, it may be too strong for you. However, I do find that once I put this on, that the scent dissipates really fast. But this is much more moisturizing than the old formula was. I have to tell you that with the old formula, I would have clients using that formula during the summer months, but in the winter, I would have to change them to a different moisturizer. So now this one is so nice and rich. Those clients with a drier skin using this are going to be much happier. You're not going to have to layer other moisturizers on top. You're not going to have to change out in those dry winter months. You're just going to love this cream. And I believe that probably HOP made this decision because the people who need Cavapla and need the Promoter Cell Moisturizer are usually people that are in their later 50s, 60s, and 70s. And those people going through those kind of hormonal changes that we go through as we age, our skin is drier. So they wanted this to be more dialed in, more perfect for people in that age group. So if you're an acne client and you're wondering, is my Promoter Repair Cell Moisturizer acne safe or not? There's two ways to know. One is the rose scent. If you smell that rose, you know that is the new formula, so it's not for you. Or if you look at the little number on the top here, it says EXP and the number 250322. That is the new formula. Let me repeat it for you. It's 250322. That is the new formula. If you have any other number, you're fine. But if you have that number, then you have the formula that is the new formula that's more rich and creamy and not acne safe. Just wanted to give you guys that quick update so that you don't make the mistake if you're an acne client and buy this cream. And if you're not an acne client and you have really dry skin and you've used this in the past, now you might want to go over and try it again because it's much more luxurious feeling than ever it was before.